Hello guys, thank you for seeing our movie about dyeing your hair. As you see, there is a circle for dyeing your hair. We can call it a circle for dyeing. But this circle is an important circle for dyeing hairs. As you see, there is a triangle which has three colors in it. It can include yellow, blue, and red. These three colors are the basic colors in every catalog. But we don't have just these three basic colors. Also, if we mix yellow and blue together, we can result green. If we mix yellow and red with each other, we can result orange. And if we mix blue and red with each other, we can result purple. These are the second kinds of colors. And these are not just the second kinds of colors. As you see, there is a circle of colors here. For example, if you start from the completely pure red, and if you add a little blue into red, you can result a kind of purple which has a little red, which has a little blue and a lot of red in it. And if we add blue more than that, we can result a kind of purple which include blue in it too much. And at the end of this circle, you can result the completely pure blue. If you add a little yellow into completely pure blue, you can result a kind of green which has a little yellow in it. But if you add yellow more than that, at the final this kind of green, you can result a very light green. And at the end of this adding, you can reach to completely pure yellow. And if you add a little red to completely pure yellow, you can result a very light orange. But if the addition of this red would be more, you can result a kind of orange which has more red into it. And at the end of this circle, you can reach to completely pure red. Now, I wanna speak about the basic problems which all of women are dealing with about dyeing hairs. For example, you are dyeing your hair and you face with an orange in your hair. Or for example, you wanna blow your hair, but there is a kind of yellow in your hair, or there is red in your hair. How we can remove these unwilling kind of colors in our hairs? As you see in this circle, some colors are in front of each other, which we can call it their opposite. For example, yellow is in front of blue. Orange, is in front of blue. Yellow is in front of purple. And red is in front of green. So, if we want to remove orange in our hair, we should use blue in our dyeing material. if you use a kind of color which include blue in your dyeing hair, it can remove orange in your hair. And for example, if you face with a yellow in your hair, you can use a little purple in your dyeing material. It can remove this yellow in your hair. And if you had a kind of red in your hair, you can use green in your dyeing hair material, and it can remove red in your hair. Thanks for watching our movie. As you see, there is the address of our website at the bottom of this page, and please follow our social network on Instagram, and you can watch our website. Please wait for our next movies. Thank you very much.